Hi, welcome. Today I would like to talk about JavaFX and how you can create tables using Scene Builder. So let's get started. I have the JavaFX application which basically has an anchor pane with nothing in there. So let's just start with that. And I'll show you what I have in the Scene Builder right now. It's just an anchor pane and nothing else is in there. And if you look at my controller as well, it doesn't really have anything in there. So let's just get started by adding a table and a table view. So what you can do is just search for table, and I found a table view, so I'm going to try to add that. And let me just adjust the size of it and then just say modify fit to parent. And so we have a small table in here. What I'm going to do is, first thing is, I have a controller already, and I'm going to set it up to application.oneController. So we have a controller. In terms of the name of the table view, let me just close this and go to the hierarchy. I'm going to assign it an FX ID of table view, because I have some code which uses those names. So I'm going to put that. For the table column, instead of C1, I'm going to just call it first name column. And we can change the heading from C1 to first name. And here I can change it to last name. And in the code, I can put in an ID of last name column. And we should be able to save all of this. So if you look at the FXML here, we have the FX IDs in the table view. So one quick thing we can do in the controller, let me just copy the code for XFML, where I can add those three fields we injected. And we should have those injectable fields in here. And here is my initialized method. So if I just run that, let's see what it does. You can see it is created the first name and the last name, but there's no data populated. So let's just populate some data, and I'll show you a quick, easy way to do that. And I will explain what it is. Basically, I have to create something called an observable list, and I'll give it a class of what is needed. And I've already created a class person.java, which basically has a string property, first name, last name. This is just a constructor, and these are just the getters and the setters. So it's pretty straightforward. And once you have that, I'm getting in data the list. What you want to do is, as you can see, the data is used over here. So whenever you get the table view, you want to set the items to the data from the observable list. And that's what I'm doing. And the only other thing is need to do on the columns, first name column and set name, last name column. You want to do something called the set cell value factory, and give it this new property value factory. And this is exactly the name we have for the property in the class here, first name, last name. So it will be automatically able to find that and correlate that. So if you just do that, and let's just check it out. And of course, you can see that the names have been added, and that's a pretty easy way to get started with JavaFX and tables. Of course, there is a lot more to it, but you can explore this on your own. And if you want to see this video and other videos, you can go to my website, but I will add this under JavaFX table. Thank you for watching this short screencast, and you have a great day.